Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to the salon to get my hair professionally tape-ined. Doesn't make sense. I'm getting tape-ins put in professionally and I'm really excited. Perfect Hair Distraction Gallery Salon reached out to me and asked if I wanted to have tape-ins put in, and of course I said yes, because every time I put tape-ins in, I've done it myself, and the timing's perfect because it's my birthday weekend. So my friend is here. Do you want to be on camera or no? She doesn't want to be on camera. That's her shoulder. But she's gonna record everything for me, so that's also very helpful, and I appreciate her for that. So let's go get my hair did. Let's go get it cute for my birthday soon. Hey. Except for my birthday soon. Let's go get it cute for my birthday.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall, that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby, saying, baby, you love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, get to taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone.